Cheetahs are the fastest land animals on Earth, capable of reaching speeds up to 60 to 70 miles per hour, 100 to 113 kilometers per hour. But what makes these graceful predators so swift? Let's dive into the world of the cheetah and explore their unique characteristics, behaviors, and adaptations. Cheetahs belong to the Felidae family, which includes other big cats such as lions, leopards, jaguars, and tigers. Cheetahs are easily recognizable by their slender bodies, long legs, and distinctive black tear streaks that run from the corner of each eye down to the sides of their mouths. The cheetah's incredible speed is due to several factors. First, their long legs allow them to cover more ground with each stride, covering 25 feet, 7.6 meters, at a single leap. Second, their flexible spine and powerful hind legs enable them to accelerate rapidly from a standing start. Third, cheetahs have a unique respiratory system that allows them to take in more oxygen, providing the energy they need to run at high speeds. Cheetahs are primarily solitary animals, with males and females living separately, except during the mating season. Cheetahs communicate using a series of vocalizations, including mews, coughs, grunts, and roars. They are also known for their purring, which is similar to a cat's purr but sounds more like a machine gun. Cheetahs have a specialized diet, primarily consisting of small antelope and gazelles. They have a unique hunting strategy, relying on their speed to chase down their prey and then using their agility to avoid obstacles as they close in for the kill. Cheetahs are not known to climb trees, unlike many other big cats, as their bodies are too large and their claws are not retractable. Cheetahs face numerous threats in the wild, including habitat loss, poaching, and competition with other predators. Conservation efforts are underway to protect this remarkable species, including the establishment of protected areas and anti-poaching initiatives. In conclusion, cheetahs are truly remarkable creatures, with their incredible speed, unique appearance, and specialized hunting strategies making them stand out among the animal kingdom. Whether you're a nature lover, an animal enthusiast, or simply a fan of speed, the cheetah is an awe-inspiring animal worth learning about. So, let's continue to support conservation efforts and ensure that these magnificent animals continue to thrive for generations to come.